Or sound story. Oliver saves ocean. Once upon a time, there was an adorable orange octopus named Oliver who lived in a cozy ocean den. Oliver was known for his playful, outgoing personality. He had obsession with collecting round ocean treasures like colorful orbs and shiny oysters. One day, a peculiar problem arose in the undersea world. A very big object resembling an oyster had fallen from the ship. The object was obstructing the path of the oceanic residents and putting their lives in peril. Oliver, with his 8 agile tentacles, decided to solve the process. He decided to organize an operation with a group of underwater friends, including Oscar the otter, Olivia the oyster, and Oswald the seahorse. They believed that by working together, they could resolve the ominous issue of the big oyster-like object. Their plan was to create an underwater police system using thick oceanic ropes made of seaweed. With their police system in place, they put their plan into action, determined to remove the object. It took time and great effort, but with the teamwork and determination, they managed to overcome the obstacle and put the object away from the ocean floor. The underwater residents celebrated their success with an oceanic feast filled with the delicious, sweet, juicy oranges.